So ito yung gagamitin natin for this trip. This is the Raptor V414. To start off, ito yung reason kung bakit ko kinuha to, okay? So meron tayong keypad for your combination. Then meron rin tayong biometric scanner. Okay, so syempre masama mag-rely on electronics. Meron rin tayong backup na. Okay. Okay. So there, pag binuksan natin. Okay. And then ito na yung pick and pluck foam. Actually meron tayong 2 layers ng pick and pluck. Okay, and a base layer. Okay, so demo lang natin. Ito yung charging port niya. Okay, so USB-C. Pinakita na natin yung key. Okay, so pwede rin siyang biometric. Okay, open. Okay, lock. Okay, so yung code natin. Diba? Nice. So, there. Siyempre, tindadali natin sa trip natin yung aking G17 EDC ko for a couple of years now. So, siguro for scale, yan siya. Okay. So, per airline guidelines, hindi natin siya pwede i-transport as is. Okay, so unang-unang requirement nila is kailangan unloaded yung firearm. Okay. And then dahil first time ko, dahil baka iba-iba ng definition ng unloaded, and dahil wala talaga akong nabasang clear implementing rules regarding this, alisin na lang natin yung laman ng ating mga magazine. Okay, so ito pala, Federal HST, available at Armscore. Tingnan natin mamaya kung ganito ba talaga yung kailangan gawin. Okay. Tingnan natin. Loaded. Okay. Meron tayong 2-piece magazines. Okay. Sidecar holster. And yung bala natin. Okay. At dahil mamaya na yung trip ko, I don't think I can commit to plucking itong pick and pluck foam. So ganito na lang gagawin ko. Kanina pa siya nagbibipos na lang nga, isara natin siya. Okay, tingnan natin kung may alog. Parang wala naman. If ever yung magazines lang siguro. Okay. So, tara. Punta tayo airport. And of course guys, huwag natin kakalimutan. Meron akong 2 copies ng aking license. Ito, firearm registration. Akong license to own. And then, Xerox ng aking PPC. So, yung isang, and also yung flight details ko. So, lalagay lang natin sa loob. Yan, flight. ticket. So, one set nasa bag ko. Isang set ilalagay natin dito sa bag. Kahit dyan na lang. Okay, let's go. Hello guys, so we're here in our hotel room and ready to just about head out. Thanks to Raptor Case PH for making this possible. I'm able to carry here in Cebu. So, yan, ito na. Ito na yung unit ko. And tara, let's go.